Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I will tell you how to fix your purchase could not be completed. So guys, when you try to purchase any app or subscription, or you may add your payment method, or you may add to any action related to your payment method in your iPhone or iPad devices, you face a problem that your purchase could not be completed. So guys, how can you fix this? So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, simply close this page. Now after that guys, simply open settings, and you have to make sure that you are properly connected on internet and there's no connected VPN on your device. If there are a connected VPN, then simply disconnect it and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply tap on screen time, and here you can see guys, simply turn off screen time, and after that simply go back, then tap on general, then tap on software update, and you have to make sure that there is no update on your device. If there have any update, then simply update it first and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then simply go back, tap on date and time, and set your date and time, and turn this toggle to set automatically, and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply open your profile, and from here guys, simply cancel your all payment and shipping and subscription, and after that update your payment and shipping and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply open media and purchases, tap on your account, and from here guys, you have to just simply change your country or region. So guys, change your country or region, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply go back and open any browser and go for Apple Support and tell your problem to Apple Support, and hopefully the Apple Support team will oversee this matter and they will fix your problem within 24 hours. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.